all right. We are getting closer. Plumbing is in. Pretty simple. I'm just using tie wraps. I'll hold the pipe in place. 3/4 inch bulkhead fitting. 2-inch pipe, drill the hole. This comes right out. Makes the grow channels removable. All right. The next step is running the supply line from the brewer out to the grow system. And I kind of jumped the gun and went ahead and got water flowing through here. But I'll step back so you can kind of see how I ran the plumbing. This one here I haven't quite decided how to put a bulkhead fitting in there or just drill a hole and poke the tube through there, but got flow. Brewer's hooked up. No glued fittings. Let's see, I could have a couple dribbles, but nothing a little caulk can't take care of. There's no sense in having glued fittings. I'd rather caulk the fittings, make them seal tight, that way they are removable. So the next step is just leveling up these grow channels to get the equal amount of water throughout the whole channel. Yeah, so I'd like to reiterate that I could potentially put probably close to 50 plants on this system right here I just built. And the patented brewer only runs on 40 watts. So you only have the air pump and you have a submersible pump that pumps the water into the brewer. It's only 40 watts this runs on. And it's gravity fed out of the brewer out to the grow system. This thing is really efficient and it's going to be a lot of fun. About halfway there, folks. Got these spread out a little more than usual. I think what I'm going to do is drill some holes and do some hydroponic stuff, some lettuce, what have you. I got a lot of herbs and peppers in so far. This is my soilless mix, and then there's just regular soil. That's actually recycled soil from last year that I just re-amended. So I kind of, every other one did soil. Again, this one's soilless mix again. We'll see how things work out. The second row here is all soil. Self-watering system. If you notice, all the plumbing's on one side, so that gives you aisleways to walk down. And this is how you control your water level in your channels, is you put a little spacer in there, and that gives you the level of water you're looking for your self-watering system. This is the deep water channels that we offer now, and of course our patented brewer only runs on 40 watts, gravity fed out to the grow system, closed loop. Alright folks, the rest of the garden is in. I have 25 plants in here. 5-gallon grow bags, 4-gallon square containers. Those right there are 17-gallon containers. I'm using soilless mix in some containers and soil in others. Mostly soil though. I will drill holes in these lids and do some hydroponic stuff as well. Step back. There's the brewer running on 40 watts. Gravity feed out to the grow channels. Remember the aloe vera plant that was growing indoors? Still around, brought it outside. One thing I am going to do is rotate this plumbing so I can make this a walkway. So this plumbing here is going to go down there. I'm going to reroute it. That's the benefit of not gluing things. I can change this up. It looks like all the leaks have stopped. And it's a start to summer. Thanks for tuning in.